The standard Triumph Bobber and Bobber Black are fantastic looking machines. However, the right isn't quite up to the performance image evoked from the Bobber name. That looks to change with the 2020 Triumph Bobber TFC. With TFC short for Triumph Factory Custom, the Bobber gets more power, better suspension, and an upgraded finish. Some of the specs are missing, so it's still a bit of a work in progress. You won't see it until after the new year, but we can talk about it right now. First launched in 2017, the Triumph Bobber started a trend for the Hinckley for works-built modified retros, leading to the Triumph Factory Custom (TFC) range, the latest of which is the limited edition 2020 Triumph Bobber TFC. The other models in the TFC catalog are the Rocket 3 TFC, which is now sold out, and the Thruxton TFC. For the Bobber TFC, engine power from the 1200cc high-torque parallel twin engine has seen a bump. To be built in a limited production run of only 750 units worldwide, the equipment specification for the Bobber TFC is given a substantial upgrade over the standard model. These include Ohlins fully adjustable upside-down front forks and adjustable Ohlins monoshock, along with titanium aero exhaust cans with carbon fiber end caps. Brakes have been similarly upgraded, the Bobber TFC coming with Brembo M50 Monobloc brake calipers in front, actuated by a Brembo MCS radial master cylinder. Unique to the Bobber TFC are clip-on handlebars, lowering the bike silhouette further, and a short Bobber front mudguard. Carbon fiber is used for the side panels and the mudguard stays. The upper triple tree is machined from billet aluminium and comes with TFC badging and the bike's edition number, while the single seat is made from genuine leather.